Well, in several of my videos lately, there have been chainsaws in the background. I guess I've mentioned that it's a crew here working, large crew here working on the island, clearing trees away from the hydro line, so hopefully we won't lose the power this winter. They're getting closer to my property, so I'm planning to put a few clips together when they cut across at the edge of my property here. There's several trees that have to come out. I'm glad to see them coming out rather than lose the power. Get some final footage of my grapevine, the wild grapevine in the pine tree. I believe I'm about to lose pine tree and grapevines, I guess. This is day 2. They finished last evening about, I don't know, half hour or so after I did my last videoing. And they've left that one poplar tree after they've pretty much devastated it. I went away for the day today. When I came back, one of my pine trees is gone. Wouldn't have bothered me, I guess, if they'd taken them both down, actually. I think they're dying. But what I feel bad about is the loss of the wild grapevine. It's still up in this pine tree that they've left here after they've cut the side off the pine tree. However, it's no longer attached to the base, to the root. That's the vine there, all just cut off and hanging in midair, so they had at that with a chainsaw too, I guess. And what a mess they have left here. I assume they're coming back to clean that up. But I certainly hope we don't lose the electricity after what we've had to put up with. This tree here, it's just a big old yellow birch. Been there all the years that I've owned the property. At least they didn't take it down completely, but they cut some of the larger limbs off of it. Anyway, that finishes the saga of cutting down the trees for better hydro in front of my property anyway.